guys, good morning. It is Sunday, March 12th, and I am coming to you today looking so fresh and so clean in my cute new outfit from Urban Modesty. I'll show you guys a little bit more about this outfit later, but the first thing I want to mention is the little one's fever has finally broken after 5 days. I am so happy. She is completely back to herself. Yesterday, she was completely fever-free. I'm really happy that my little one is feeling so much better. We were a bit worried about her, but alhamdulillah, she is fine. So in today's video, I've got a lot of things to catch up on. I need to clean, declutter, and decorate the movie room for Ramadan. I need to do laundry, of course, because I always need to do laundry. You guys, it's March 12th today. Ramadan is in 10 days. So I don't want to be doing all of this when Ramadan starts because I want to focus on the more important things when Ramadan gets here. So that is the plan for today. In the meantime, let me show you guys this outfit because it is so cute. We're in my bedroom in front of my cute little painting. The little one is outside. The husband is downstairs. I can't find a quiet place to film to save my life. So we're gonna do it in here. All right, guys, so I am so in love with this new outfit. I got it from Urban Modesty. I wanted to try to find a new suit that was a little bit more casual. I love the ones that I got from MODESTY, but I wanted to try a different shape, a different shop, and see what other places had. I saw this salmon colored tunic and pant set on Urban Modesty, and then I thought that this color would look good on me. It was $48.99, and then with some discounts and then shipping, the total was like $41.64. I got it in a size large. I think I should have gotten in a size extra large. The pants from the MODESTY set is a little bit more comfortable, and this has a drawstring, which I'm not a big fan of because you can see it through the top. But I like the cut of this one. I love the tunic. I love the shape of the tunic with the split on the side. It kind of comes up along the hip, and then it covers the front and covers the back. I love the little tie, and the tie has this cute little gold detail at the ends, which adds a little bit of something and matches probably the gold jewelry. And it matches the gold jewelry I'm most likely gonna be wearing. It's very comfortable. It is so easy to put together. You just put on the top and you put on the bottom. Like, it's just that easy. I would probably wear the tunic with other bottoms, like some jeans or a skirt. So you can wear them as separates too, which is awesome. They have it in other colors. They have it in a lavender and they have it in a brown. And I think I might try the lavender one. I don't wear a lot of lavender, but I am trying to push myself out of my comfort zones, try some different colors, try some different styles, and who knows, lavender might be my color. So I would highly recommend you try out Urban Modesty. Let me know in the comments below if you like this outfit. Would you try it yourself? But for now, I need to go and get started on this movie room because time is ticking. I have a few things I need to put together and get the decor going. So hang tight and we're gonna get this room put together. just been looking at this area and I just kept thinking that I needed something right there to corral all of my little decor. I really wanted a rattan corner shelf, but the ones that I like were a little too expensive and I wasn't ready to spend that amount of money. So I found this on Amazon and I'm just gonna use this for now until I'm ready to buy a more quality piece. All right guys, here's the new attaché for this corner here in our movie room. I think it fits really nicely in this corner, and after I decorate it, I'm sure it's gonna look even better. So I'm gonna clean up all of this mess that I made and clean up this area and then decorate this shelf. So now that we have this shelf nicely put together, I'm just gonna use some decorations I already have to decorate the shelf for Ramadan. is 7 o'clock. I got the movie room cleaned. I put up the attaché and decorated it. I got some other decorations put up, like the phases of the moon, which is really, really pretty. As the fan blows and the air conditioning blows, it makes this soft little subtle like wind chime sound. It's really relaxing. And then I put up the moon and star here. I started to put up the lights on the stairs, but I need to order another package, and I also need to order, I also need to go to the hardware store and pick up some clear zip ties that are longer than the ones that I have, so that I can zip tie the lights to the stairs, and then up here will be done. There wasn't much to declutter up here because the only thing we store in here is the girls' games and our DVDs whenever the ones that we have left over, whenever we watch them. So we have the ones that we want. I'm gonna put some laundry in and try to get some more stuff done. I am also in the middle of editing, so I'm getting that done too. Trying to get this decorating video. I'm trying to get this decorating video out by Monday. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, but I need you guys to watch my longer videos. Like, I put some shorts up and they've been doing okay, but as we get closer to 1,000 subs, I need to also get you guys to watch my videos. So if you haven't already taken the poll, I put a poll on the community page to find out exactly what kind of content you guys want to see on my channel. Take the poll, let me hear your voice so that I can make sure I'm making content you guys want to see. Anyway, let me get started with laundry, because as always, we have a ton of it and everybody's out of everything, and I just gotta get it done. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this vlog. Today I got so much done. I got so much done today, and I'm really happy with the progress. I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I'm gonna finish up by I'm gonna end the vlog here, but that doesn't mean that my night ends. I'm gonna fold some linens, do a couple of loads of laundry, and then settle in for the season finale of The Last of Us. Joel better not die. I'm gonna be so mad if he dies. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.